Hey everybody, how you doing? So I got this blank wall behind me here. There used to be that picture, used to be over here, but it was too small for that wall. So I moved it over there and I wanted something cool to put up on this wall. So I had an idea of taking a photo of my Harley when I was riding on the Blue Ridge Mountains, but I wanted to make it look more like a piece of art than just a photo of my bike on the wall. So I went to elephantstock.com. I'm not sponsored by them, but they had a pretty good variety of choices of sizes of canvas and stuff that you could print your artwork on. So if you're a creative person or a photographer or something like that, or you're good with Photoshop and you kind of want a unique piece of art in your house that you created, check it out. So I got the box just came in. So I'm gonna open it up and we'll see what we got. And yeah, this cool t-shirt with the golf cart, and I'll show you the back in a second. You can get at chiefhobie.com. But anyway, let's open up this box and see how this picture came out. I have no idea. It could have came out horrible or it could have came out really cool. So let's check it out. Figure this thing out together. This is a photo I took when I was riding in the Blue Ridge Mountains one day in Virginia on my Harley, but I wanted the image to look really, really old, antique, you know, faded with like sepia tone and very, very distressed. So it's going to look abstract and kind of rough, like something you'd find in a barn, you know, 70 years from now. So I really like the distressed, antique, rustic look of things. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it came out okay. So this is going to be in 3 pieces. You know, I'm sure you've seen photos of those canvases that are 3 sections to make one photo. It's going to have that kind of look to it. Let's see what we got. I'm using scissors for this part so I don't damage the canvas. So this might not make sense at first, but once I get it on the wall and you see the 3 pieces, it might look really cool. Let's hope. Yeah, this is gonna look cool, I think. There's the first piece. And there's, oh yeah, this is gonna look pretty interesting. There's the middle piece. So you can see it's kind of cool looking. I can't wait to get it up on the wall. Let me get the tools and let's hang this on the wall and see how it looks. All right. You can see here, it's got typical kind of hanger, right? So we'll just take a simple nail. They have them out of the centers. These are very light, so I think I can get away with just using a good solid nail. All right, there you have it. Hopefully that gave you some creative inspiration. If you want to do something a little different to your house, it's kind of cool with a personal touch. Don't forget, go to chiefhobie.com to get your awesome t-shirts, all designed by me. And appreciate you watching. Take care of each other out there. See you on the next video. Bye.